So let's get conversant with the Elementor edit page first before we do anything at all. So on the left panel, we have the element or widget list page. So just like your customized page that we saw the other time here, where we have list of items here, same thing goes for Elementor. Like here we have container, we have grid, we have text, we have heading, image. So these are different elements that you can add to your website. Either you want to add image, video, text, anything at all that you want to add to your website are listed here. And like this layout is it's like a default element of Elementor, same as basic, same as general. Link in bio. You will notice that there are some, if you notice when we install essential add-ons, so these are some of the elements that essential add-ons is giving to us. Same for royal add-ons that we install. Now you know the reason why we install some of these plugins as we are installing the Elementor plugin. So these are some of the elements that they are offering to us as a user. So we have their premium Elementor widget that you can subscribe for. So now we have the elements for WordPress itself, WordPress default element and widget that you can always use to design your website. So that is it for the left panel. So at the top we have home, that is the page you are currently editing. Then next to it we have the page settings where you can set the page, either set it to publish, featured image, whichever thing. You can always play around some of these settings. Like I said, you are learning. You should not be scared of breaking anything. So the next one is we have a desktop icon. That is, you want to see how your website looks like on the desktop icon, which is the default. So when I click on tablet, you see it shrinks to a tablet size, and you notice that the menu is now in off canvas mode. So we have for mobile how your website looks on mobile. So as you are developing, you can always try to checkmate how it looks on different devices so that you don't get to develop better on one and it's looking bad on the other. So like I said, default is desktop. Now here we have structure. Now structure simply means that your websites are dividing it into structure. By the time we continue, you understand. We can have the menu bar, the banner, the about us section, the services section, vision and mission section. So all of these sections are highlighted on this black floating panel here, so that you can always see how many sections you have, and you can always see the children of each section, so that you can see them at a glance instead of scrolling up and down across different pages. As we move on, you get to understand better. So that is basically what this page is all about. The other one is this is an empty page, obviously, so we don't have anything here. If you want to start developing, this is the plus icon to add a new section or new container, whichever one, to your page. So this will always appear at the bottom of all your edits. So this one is to add template. Then this one is to build with AI, which we will not be going into now. Let us learn the basic first. Then this is also to insert. So most of all these other ones are basically to either insert section, already made sections, or already made pages or template into this current page. But we'll not be going to that yet. We'll be doing that at a later time, so that you can always import already made template from someone's job and just edit it on your current page. You understand? But before then, let us understand how these templates are being built before you start importing already made templates. Thank you.